in Maryland, Baltimore, and Hartford, and the Maryland Independent City of Baltimore. Flood warning in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. Urban area and small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. The areas affected include a portion of northern Maryland, including the following counties: Baltimore, Baltimore City, and Hartford. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 7 p.m.
First flood warning. Finally, my first flood warning.
Additional details at 3:56 p.m. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the Warren area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen, with locally up to 3 inches. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the Warren area. If heavy rain continues, some areas may need a flash flood warning. Some locations that will experience flooding include Baltimore, Cockeysville, Tilson, Bel Air South, Keatonsville, Parkville, Bel Air North, Kearney, Perry Hall, Arbutus, Rosedale, Rossville, Brooklyn Park, Timonium, White Marsh, Foxton, Hampton, Kingsville, Pleasant Hills, Surreyville. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood
Turn around. Don't drown.